What's going on? Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Emergency update. Hit the like and subscribe. This is actually the second video this morning. So we talked about the road to victory for 30K. A lot of people didn't understand that the road to victory to 30K is in 2 weeks, guys. Read the title. 2 weeks. I never said nothing about going to 30K immediately right now. Recipe for disaster if you're getting excited over titles and not finishing and reading. But getting tuned into the normals. Breaking right now, this is what we do for you. Credit Suisse plunges 12% as concerns of going bankrupt spikes. So we got to be very careful, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, please be very careful as Credit Suisse is dropping and the European markets. What is going on with the European banks now? All the markets are probably losing everything they possibly can. The share price of Credit Suisse plunged more than 10% after the opening bell of European sessions on Monday. After investors hedged on its 5-year credit default swaps, CDS seeing a potential bankruptcy for the Swiss bank. So guys, we are right now. I did a little poll. If you're having fun, what's going on, Ismail and Rising Sun? Nice to have you in this chat here. I don't have to tell you, hit the like and subscribe. Currently, right now, we do have something important to talk about. That's a big deal. It's not really good that all the banks, everything is happening, and we are going down. Total crypto market cap 1.08. Ethereum right now smashing down, and I do believe that this is going to occur and continue to happen if you pay attention. 15-minute chart. So we talked about the 1556 exactly. Excuse me. And it was really a big support level we needed to hold. As you can see, I thought we could do this. Well, erase all of that because that's why we come live to you immediately. Once we believe that that is over with, you can see the buy signal here coming on the bottom. Last time we did that, we got a nice little buy, a nice little pull up, but then we went down. So this double top formation with the M's won't be over, guys, for a little bit. So, not financial advice, just a gentleman twice as nice. As you can see, the high volatile waves coming in and kicking in, possibly coming back all the way up to 1668, 1670, and we may proceed to give you what you need all the way down to the 1604. So pay attention, definitely to mention, like I said, not financial advice, but you do need to pay attention because I've had this happen to me many times. Here it is. Coming in, giving you a nice little thought of process of what could be happening. Not always correct, but looking at this right here, we could be getting a nice pull-up right now. So let's pay attention. There's nothing really here I understand at why we would continue to stop here and go up. So I do believe dead cat bounces are coming. The trend is your friend to the end. As you can see, we may get a nice jump up and then go back down again. That's happened before. So let's show you something, what I'm talking about here. Maybe this is what you need to see from here to here, right? The trend is your friend to the end. As you can see, that trend was up, then we broke up. So that makes sense, right? Does that make sense to anyone in this here area here? Well, right now, the trend, as I just showed you, the trend is to the downside. So as we continue to go down, we're not done going over until we find the over. So once we start coiling, going sideways, we will be confident. So I'm not going to look here until we're done. Looking at that, getting into a higher time frame now, looking at the hourly. Let's get more sense into it. Could be getting the oversold area shortly. As you can see down here, we've been oversold a few times back all the way from March 7th, a few, a week ago? 1 week ago, 8 days ago. So we can still come down. Like I said, this could be a dead fake one. This could be fake right now. Manipulation still going to the down. So don't believe in the pump until the candle is over. 10 minutes until the next hourly candle comes down. So it's important. Please hit the like and subscribe in order to get these videos to come through. Now, what am I looking for? I'm looking for the gap. And what I see on the gap right now is a big, big gap. So we can make that a little bigger. If you're paying attention on Ethereum, this is the chart we're looking at currently right now. We can go to Bitcoin in a second. I just want people to see what's happening. So we are getting possibly a dead cat double top M here coming in. It'll keep going down to possibly about the old resistance here. So I'm looking at 1604, guys. Please pay attention to what is possible. Good morning. Good morning, Josh. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, everybody. I appreciate you guys coming on the live and hit the like, please. It's most important. But we're watching. What's going on? Well, we'll show you on the hourly, and it makes total sense. And shorts. I hope you're wearing your shorts. Shorts, right? What is that commercial? Anybody remember that commercial? You got to be old to remember that. Shorts. And here's the left shoulder, right? Head. We're going to the daily now, seeing something different. But right now, you have to pay attention to what's happening on the short-term time frame, as possibly getting that right shoulder coming in. And now this is the recipe for an inverted head shoulders. So how do we get those, guys? We talked about it. Now the hour's going to catch up, the daily's going to catch up, and then once we're done falling, 24,300 has been a very big price that we were holding on Bitcoin. So I'm hoping that we still continue to do that. But like I said, if you look at the daily here, it makes total sense of what we were looking at this morning. Was it the daily? I believe it was the daily, yes. So if you look at the daily here, we're looking for this to happen. Somehow we were going to come down still. We're looking for the shoulder, come in. Obviously, left shoulder's all the way back here. You can see it right here. So what's happening? We're creating that right shoulder. Hopefully get some rejection here. What's going to come in. And as you can see, 20, what was it? I'm sorry. It's 20, you can see here, 22.8. Remember that price? 22.8, guys. That's going to be the number magic right here, coming in, going down, and maybe developing a right shoulder. So pay close attention to where we get this right shoulder. Doesn't have to necessarily come all the way down to here, but the right shoulder is occurring. You can see what's happening, and I do believe we'll get a pump when you least expect it. So pay attention. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, baby, shake it, baby. 5, 6, 7 times. No, I'm kidding. But it was 5 days going up. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th day coming in. Remember that song? Just the old school feeling here. But get your shorts on, guys. Check it out. Could be going. We got to break this 25,300 price in order to be considered really serious. So pay attention to that. If that does start occurring, you will see on the daily, that is the neckline that needs to be broken here. You can see it right there. So pay close attention to what is happening here as we're getting that double bottom, excuse me, now could be forming something which is a top. We'll see what happens where we get it here. This is what I'm talking about here and here. It's hard to see. So watch that. We got the double bottom. We went up. Now we're getting the 2 circles to the top. But if you pay attention from this morning's video, we talked about going all the way to higher places. And that, I believe, my friends, was talking about, what chart was that? We have to get all the way down here. Hold on a second. It was this morning's video, and you might have liked it. If you missed it, you can go back and check it out. And like I said, check out the title, because a lot of people did get confused. I didn't say we were going straight to 29.3 right now. So Bitcoin looking pretty bullish right now at this current point in time. Could get a chump pump. On the daily here, you see it's a nice move and probably rejection right here. But in the long term, in a few days coming up over some time frame here, we are going to continue going back up. So not a big surprise if we start coming back through. But if we start breaking this little spot here, and you can see right here, what is it? 24,000. We had about 24,300, just about. See it? If we start breaking and finishing a daily candle below there, which is 9 hours, then I will tell you, my friends, okay, be very careful. Look to get about somewhere for 22.8, and it looks perfectly on this dotted line. If you see how we've been forming, well, left shoulder here, and it could be coming in this exact format, so pay attention. This is interesting. Could be a lot smaller than you think. And if I got rid of it like this, and let me show you right here, because on this chart, what is this? This is the daily, okay. Coming in. Could be small as this. Maybe this is what helps you see it a little better. Coming in. And then what do we do? Well, we come back down, what I say, 22.8. So 22.8 come in. Let's see if this is exactly what happens, guys. This would be a beautiful recipe. And then, like I said, we got to knock on the door at 25.3 in order to be taking this pattern serious. So pay attention to what is happening here. Very important. Looking a little bullish on the daily, but you know it takes time to get to there and complete it. So right here, coming down, looking for the 24,270 or 300. Like I said, very important. So hit the like and subscribe. Looking at the 4-hourly, we couldn't be any more bearish on the 4-hourly. Last time we did so, let a little 4-hourly come through, and you could see we went down. Then we started coiling up, got that double bottom here, which is beautiful, inverted head. And now what we're doing, well, we're looking to get this right shoulder, and I do hope that we're bullish at the right shoulder. And if we are breaking down, guys, the buy price for this is 23,600 about. So not financial advice, just a gentleman twice as nice. If you're appreciating the TA, as we've been pretty good over the years. You see all the way to the bottom here. Well, if we do break down there for the right shoulder, it's 22.6. So you got a couple levels to pay attention to, a couple levels to buy into dollar cost average. And please don't get wrecked. But yes, if I was putting a short position in at this current time, this is where I would go. And I already said, hey, 2 weeks. Please pay attention to the comments. Please pay attention to what I say. Pay attention to the titles, but only so much. So total crypto market cap, we are 1.08. Doesn't seem why we can't go all the way down to 1.02, 1.1. I was just going to say, we went there rather fast to the upside. And with all of this horrible news, I do believe that a lot of people are going to get scared. So pay close attention. Credit Suisse Bank, possibly the next bank to go bankrupt. What's going to happen is we're going to get an opportunity to buy more, just like the other fucking banks, and possibly that's what's happening. So what's going to happen? The government. Let me look at my face when I say this, and I hate to be this guy. The government for Credit Suisse went, what about us? Why are you guys taking care of all the U.S.? Can we go under and we buy back some of the crypto at a cheap price? And then when it goes down on this right shoulder, we'll buy it, and we get 20 times our fucking profits, and then we'll be back in business? That's my thoughts. Conspiracy, call it what you want. Wall Street, Pete, sick dough, and crypto. I can't really think about much more of what could be happening right now. So, Wall Street, Pete, sick dough, crypto. We're getting a fall. We're getting some more FUD. What the hell else is new? Please trade responsible. Please be very careful. It was supposed to say ending. I'm sorry. So please be very careful. As you know, cryptocurrency is one of the most volatile things in this space, in trading, and anything you could possibly imagine. So hope you have a wonderful week. It is Hump Day. So have a great day. Tomorrow morning, I will be en route. I will be driving, so you won't get a morning video probably. And if you do get an update, it'll be driving. So hit the bell, hit the all notifications, so when something important does happen, we're going to come back to you. We're going to come live like news, like it is the Fox, like CNN, but we're going to be real. We're not going to be the bullshit ones. Have a great day, everyone. Love you all. Peace in and peace out. Until the next video, take care, my friends.